Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Let's get 1000 subscribers. So, I know it's been more than a month since my last upload, but honestly, ever since these fucking assholes at YouTube lied that my channel is eligible for monetization, I was not really in the mood to film anymore. Also, I was very busy because I do have a day job. And I've been looking into other platforms. I can also not be paid somewhere else. Anyway, I don't know if I said this on a video, but my two favorite sports are football, so soccer for my friends from the US, and Formula 1. I think I've been watching F1 for about 20 years, but maybe 17, 18 more constantly. I've seen Braun GP win their first championship, Vettel with his 4, Mercedes with their 8, Verstappen, and a lot of incredible races. So I got my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife right here. And let's get into these. Alright, so I have 4 items here. All these were bought on a sale. I got a mug, a black mug, very simple, with the F1 logo. Then I have 2 hats, one Velcro strap and one snapback, and a Christmas jumper, pullover, sweater, jumper. So the label says jumper. I do also have a sick F1 inspired Casio watch, so do yourself a favor and subscribe. But let's check these out. Alright, so I'm extremely happy with all these items. The mug is very sick. The hats are really nicely made. I don't see any threads, nothing like that. Very nice embroidery here on the back. This fits very well. I really like it. This one is very soft on the back. Almost reminds me of that Levi's technology with their stretchy fabric. And the jumper, man. The jumper is size 3XL, which might seem big. But I'm pretty sure this will shrink after the first wash. Also, it's not really that big. I really like that label on the back. I might put that somewhere on the front. But anyway, let me know what do you think about these items. If you have any questions, let me know what's your favorite F1 team, your favorite driver or track or race. And that's kind of the end of the video. I'll try to upload more constantly, but thank you for watching and thank you for sticking with me.